It's the Betway SA20 final on Saturday when MI Cape Town takes on Sunrisers Eastern Cape, and it's quite hot this weekend in Gauteng with temperatures around 30 degrees in Johannesburg on Saturday. As soon as the game starts into the evening, temperatures only cooling down to about 25 degrees. I would say that's lovely conditions, some cloud around and a slight chance of a quick thunderstorm developing, but can also thankfully quickly blow away. So enjoy the game, and that's your cricket forecast. Now let's have a look at your weekend forecast across South Africa. Overnight into Saturday morning, a few storms are still likely to move here over parts of the Northern Cape, Northwest and Free State. And then into the afternoon, thunderstorms redeveloping in a band over the western interior, including large parts of the Karoo, and also later becoming stormy, especially over parts of the Eastern Cape, with a weak cold front just sliding over the southwestern coast, expected to bring a few drops of light rain late on Saturday for the coastal regions. But stormy conditions, as mentioned, expected here over the interior of South Africa. And we've got a yellow level 2 warning in place for severe storms likely over the northeastern regions of the Eastern Cape. Those storms could produce a quick heavy downpour or strong winds. Very isolated showers likely in KwaZulu-Natal, thunderstorms later moving in from the northwest, morning drizzle from Mpumalanga, and only a 30% chance of a quick shower or thunderstorm moving over parts of Gauteng as well as the rest of the Free State. A foggy start to your Sunday for the interior of South Africa, especially in the Free State, but quickly burning up as soon as the sun rises, with thunderstorms later developing here in a band over northwest in the Free State, switching over parts of Gauteng and reaching KwaZulu-Natal. And then late on Sunday, we're expecting stormy conditions to move in there in the low velds of Limpopo as well as Mpumalanga. Early in the morning, due to that weak front, some light drizzle possible over the coastal regions and scattered storms later moving over northwest, including Gauteng as well as parts of Mpumalanga and the northern interior of KwaZulu-Natal. And then, as mentioned, overnight into Monday, stormy weather expected in the low velds of Limpopo as well as parts of Mpumalanga, with more thunderstorms redeveloping on Monday in the east, but dry conditions over western South Africa. We're expecting a fresh westerly wind ahead of that front over the southern coastline. Fresh winds also picking up at times over the western interior, where we've got a high fire danger in place. Northeasterly winds for KwaZulu-Natal about 30 kilometers per hour in Durban, but then winds turning southwesterly behind that cold front into Sunday, spreading along the coast of South Africa. A fresh south-southeaster picking up in the mother city on Sunday, and a strong southerly wind picking up over the southern coast of our neighboring country. Now, it's going to be a warm to hot Saturday across South Africa, as you can see, with temperatures about 30 degrees. It's only here in Cape Town where we've got that weak cold front that's bringing in much cooler conditions, but still quite comfortable the afternoon with 25 degrees. We're expecting 24 and windy on Sunday in the mother city. Much cooler conditions spreading along the coastal regions and especially the Eastern Cape, where it's going to be cloudy and showery at times with only 19 degrees in Akua, but temperatures around 30 degrees over the rest of South Africa. Finally, looking into Monday, cooler weather spreading into the rest of the Eastern Cape, especially KwaZulu-Natal and the high velds of Mpumalanga. Temperatures over there in the low to mid-20s. Lots of cloud and showers expected in those regions. Hot in the west and extremely hot in Upington. Well, that's all from me. Have a lovely weekend.